what you got today, you know? Got some good bands coming up. Hey. Who's that? Who's that you said? A little bit louder now. Ask, and ye shall receive. Benefit with him in my hometown in Red Bank, New Jersey, and we did a benefit for like a local organization in town, and he showed up and he had told me he really liked our records, and I was just, oh, okay, you know, and he was just completely genuine and really nice to us.
The kids from Gaslight Anthem are great. I met the singer briefly one other time, but they're kind of from our area, you know, and so it was a kick to get out to play with them again today.